Alright, so what's up, guys? I'm out on the lake again. It's about 5:15 in the evening. Just paddling out to the other side to throw some casts. It's pretty windy right now. Kind of a pain in the ass, but I'm about to get there, so another 10 minutes I'll be there. Start throwing my craw like I did last night. Caught 3 nice fish off of it, so we're gonna try that again. See what I can produce. I'm gonna check the bite, so I'm gonna start by throwing this little Rapala crankbait. See what happens. Alright, so I've been fishing for about a half hour now. So far nothing on the crankbait, so switching it up to my old trusty bait. It's been killing it for the last few days. Creature bait looking thing. They're called, actually I don't know what they're called. Whatever they are, they work well. Deep. Here's one. First cast on this little craw. Creature bait. Oh yeah. He ain't throwing nothing. Another decent bass. Not complaining, but I mean, I'd love a... Ooh, that got it. I'd love a 5-pounder one of these days instead of these little 2.5s. Get a little picture before I put them back. Alright, there he goes. Let's keep trying. A little bit. This one could be good. Had me wrapped up. Oh yeah. Come on in here, Bobby. Come on in here, Bobby. Look at that fish. There's a 5-pounder. No, maybe a 4.5. That's at least a 4.5. Right off that creature bait, right off that structure there, I mean. But off the creature bait again, doing work. Did a quick video of this guy too for Snapchat. He's about, yeah, I'd say about a 4.5 or 5-pounder. Bye-bye. Second nice fish. My leg's itchy from this bug infestation. There's one. Right off the little point. Here's another guy. Cracked him right off that point. I saw him run with it. There he is. Football number 4 of the night. Looks like we're playing some football tonight. Ooh. Let's get a quick third big guy of the night.